Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you all are doing awesome. Good morning, Mom. We will only be doing a 15-minute live stream today, so it'll be really quick. So, just real quickly, guys, if you're not on the list, reach out to us for the drawing. If you recently subscribed, um, Kevin will get on that as soon as possible to get you on the list. But in the meantime, let's take a few minutes to see what the market's doing and see if we think this crash is over soon or if it's going to rebound here soon. So we're going to check out a couple different stocks. Good morning, Juliana. Alright, let's check out AMD. AMD is still in negative territory here. Negative territory over here. It is in negative territory here. It's trying to rebound a little bit, but none of the other indicators are wanting to, so it may not be over, and if it does do anything, it might just be a consolidation, but we'll have to see there with AMD. Nvidia. Nvidia, it's kind of the same thing, except here on the MACD, it's wanting to reject this MACD, so uh, that indicates it wants to drop more, but it's consolidating down here at the very low point. Alright, let's check out some bank stocks. So HBAN. With HBAN, it looks like it's trying to climb up a little bit today, but it's still in negative territory. And the stochastic is wanting to bounce back up. So it may have like a small rebound, but the likelihood of it rejecting and dropping are still pretty good in my book. Good morning, Alan. Alright, let's check out Bank of America. Good morning, Keefan. Alright, so for those just coming in, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you're on the list. If you're not on the list, make sure your settings are showing as public. Resubscribe at that point, and then you're good. We'll get you back on the list. If you're not on the list, but you did resubscribe and it does show on our end, Keefan will add you back up on there. Remember, today is a very short live stream, so we will try to be as quick as possible here. We did get a bunch of new subscribers or people who resubscribed again, back on there, so that's awesome. So you'll see that updated. And then just remember that this week I won't really be doing much or any trading, because I will be uh, not available this week. But I will try my best. But in the meantime, we're still looking right now. So Bank of America, it's kind of the same thing as HBAN. It's wanting to climb right now. Trying to rebound here on the stochastic. But the MACD is still pointing down. SMAs are still pointing down. So it might have a small climb up and then reject. If it doesn't reject, great. Then hopefully we can see it climb, and hopefully the stochastic doesn't climb too quick. It just goes slow and does a nice climb. Alright, let's check out car industry with Tesla. Tesla stochastic super low. MACD, it's still in positive territory for Tesla, but it is headed to the zero, so it's almost into the negative territory, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. And then it is below the SMAs, and it looks like it might want to drop on the SMAs, but we'll see how it does today. 1 minute it shows a nice climb here, so that's good. Okay, let's check out Costco. Costco, it's kind of the same thing as all the rest right now. Everything is, so basically the way that I look at the market right now, in my personal opinion, we are seeing a small climb today. It's not very big. It's very small. It could rebound on us at any time. Could just drop. It could continue to climb, but this climb, the likelihood of it continuing is very small. Um, Especially if it hits where this yellow SMA line is. As soon as it hits that, then then it's going to be testing the waters to see if it's ready to climb up more or not. So right now it's pretty dangerous if you wanted to do anything with it. Let's check out SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. So yeah, it's still in the same book too. Here it wants to climb, here it wants to drop, here it wants to consolidate, possibly test the SMAs this week. Probably we'll test it. I'm not too worried about like missing anything to this week if I do, because it's just wanting to consolidate or test waters, so I'm not too worried there. Yeah, so that's kind of it there. Good morning, Kimberly. I'm gonna check out one of my most favorite stocks. It's O. It had a pretty big drop here in the last couple weeks here, but I'm not too worried about them. They're an amazing company. So here, wants to try to climb. Still shows signs of more drop. Still showing some signs of more drop here. They are at 61, so that's a pretty nice cheap price that I like for the monthly dividends. And this drop, I doubt it will continue much longer on here. It probably will drop with the rest of the market for a little bit, but this one will be a lot slower of a drop than the others. Alright, so real quick, we got 5 minutes, so we're gonna be really fast on everything. Alright, gonna have this. Let's refresh the page for the weekly numbers on their site. Okay, we are going to go off from what is showing there. So 236. Or do you need a minute, Keefin, if you're working on updates on the list, or right now I have the 236, so I have to end the stream at 7:45, so at 7:44 I'm gonna do the drawing. But just for those who are new, the way that it works is you are here. Here's my website with Keefin and I. We have YouTube numbers right here. You can see right here the number that is attached to you, and you can see currently 236 people are showing as public. We did have some more people that are added once a week, but the website should have more additions to it. Okay, so let me refresh this. Okay, let me see if it updated on the back end. Just give me a quick moment. I'm gonna do. So the way it works, guys, is you're gonna see these random numbers come over here. As you can see, it's completely random. Um, when it's going, um, you have to be subscribed publicly on your YouTube channel to get on this list. If you are the winner, then you have 30 days to claim your victory money. If you do not, you lose it. So please make sure you reach out because we want to give it to you. And yeah, that's about it. Okay. Okay. Back end still shows the 236, so we're gonna go with that. Good morning, Doris Plays. So for example, guys, if I hit go, this is the next potential winner. You know, like right now we're just doing the example, so it'd be 135, or it'd be 169, 205, 101, 75, 230. Again, that's completely random. So I'm going to bring it down to 0. And the next number is the winner. So here we go, guys. You guys ready? And today's winner is number 127. So congratulations, number 127. Please reach out to us. We want to give this to you. So congratulations, number 127 on this week's $1,000. Alright, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure you guys hit the like button. If you don't see your number, then please reach out to us. A lot of people um, have needed to resubscribe. And the reason why is because their account is not showing as public. So let me see here. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys real quickly on this live stream how to do it. So open up new tab, YouTube. Okay, so I watch a lot of music. I like to watch a lot of funny stuff here. So alright, so here's how you go and do it, guys. So on the top right here, you're gonna see your picture here. You're gonna click that. You're gonna go to settings here below. Settings here. You're going to go to privacy. Right here, it says here, keep all my subscriptions private. You need to make sure that this is not showing as private. So you would click this, and now your changes were saved. Now it would be public. So you guys want to make sure it's this settings to be subscribed. If it's not like that, then please change it to public like this. And then if you when you change this to public, then you're going to want to go back to the channel, uh, unsubscribe, and then resubscribe. So I'm going to put this back because that's our settings. But that's how you guys do it. Pretty simple. Alright, and one quick glance before I close the live stream. Yeah, things are wanting to start dropping again. Yeah, more things are starting to turn red again. Hopefully that helped. Um, I am gonna end the live stream here, guys, because it is actually 3 minutes past the time that I was gonna go. Today, past 4 o'clock today is when you're really not gonna be able to get a hold of me too easily. If you do try to get a hold of me, send me a text message. As soon as I have service, I will reply as soon as I can. Um, but yeah, reach out to me if you need anything. Keefan's also available. Message our Facebook page. He's pretty quick about responding, so he's pretty good about that. So if you need anything, reach out. We'll be happy to walk you through anything. You all have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching, and see you all next week, Monday.